This is a tour of the respiratory system. So air is conducted into the nasal cavity. The nasal cavity is lined with pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium and a mucus layer that traps larger particles that come in with the air. Air is going to travel down the pharynx. The pharynx has both food and air going down it. So we have the nasal pharynx behind the nasal cavity used for air. We have the oral pharynx behind the mouth. It's used for air and food. The laryngopharynx is near the larynx. The epiglottis is an elastic cartilaginous flap. It's going to cover the trachea when you swallow food or drink so that it can go down the esophagus. This is the vocal fold. When air passes by this is going to produce sound. So the larynx is this region here. It's got 9 pieces of cartilage, and on this model we have the thyroid cartilage represented by this blue line, and this little dot here is representing the cricoid cartilage. So both the thyroid and the cricoid cartilage are hyaline cartilage. Air is going to travel down the trachea, and the trachea has these C-shaped rings of cartilage to help keep it open, and it will branch at the sternal angle into the bronchi, and the bronchi are going to branch into these bronchial trees. So there's a lot of branching in the lungs, and then these branches are going to divide into narrower tubes until they end in the terminal bronchioles. The diameter of this is going to be about 1 millimeter. So this is the microscopic representation of an alveoli sac. So here's an alveoli. It has thin walls, and that's going to promote the exchange of gases. So oxygen is going to diffuse into the capillary bed, while carbon dioxide diffuses from the capillary into the alveoli sac to be exhaled.